In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync TimeTree with Samsung Calendar. First, you will need to install TimeTree from the Google Play Store. As you navigate to your device's home screen, look for the Play Store icon, which resembles a colorful triangle. Tapping on this will open the store, revealing a vast array of apps. Once you're in the Play Store, focus on the search bar at the top of the screen. It's where you will type the name of the app, enter TimeTree, and hit search. You will see a list of results. Look for the TimeTree app, which features an icon with a tree. This is crucial because installing this app is your first step towards syncing your calendars. Now, let's open TimeTree once it's installed. After the app downloads, you'll see an option to open it directly from the Play Store. Tap on Open, and it will launch the TimeTree interface. You'll be greeted by a friendly welcome screen, inviting you to create or log into your account. This initial setup is important because it allows you to access all the features that TimeTree offers. Next, you need to create a TimeTree account. Look for the option that says Create Account or Sign Up. Tap on it, and you will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. It's essential to choose a secure password to protect your account. After filling in your details, tap on Sign Up or Continue. Completing this step ensures you have a personalized experience within the app, tailored to your scheduling needs. After successfully creating your account, you will need to open the settings. Look for the gear icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon will lead you to the settings menu, where various options are available to customize your experience. This is important because adjusting your settings allows you to optimize the app according to your preferences. Next, tap on Apps within the settings. This will display a list of all the applications installed on your device. Locate and select TimeTree from this list. This step is crucial as it directs you to the specific settings for the TimeTree app. You will see options related to permissions, notifications, and storage. Now you will need to tap on Permissions. This section manages what access TimeTree has on your device. It's important to ensure that the app has the necessary permissions to function correctly. You will see various permissions listed here, including access to your calendar, which is essential for syncing. Finally, allow calendar permission. Tap the toggle or checkbox next to the calendar option to enable it. Once you've done this, you'll see a confirmation indicating that permission has been granted. This ensures that TimeTree can access your calendar events, which is vital for viewing your Samsung Calendar events within TimeTree. With these steps complete, you are now set up to manage your events more effectively. Remember, while TimeTree cannot automatically sync its events to Samsung Calendar, you can still view your Samsung Calendar events in TimeTree. This setup allows you to streamline your scheduling, making it easier to stay organized.